Hi there. Let me show you how to create this viral AI video. You see these cute videos and you want to know how to create one. Let me show you. Just watch. The first thing you'll want to do is grab a reference image. So you do that by finding one of these videos on TikTok and basically just pausing the video and doing a screenshot. Once you save your screenshot, you're going to head to ChatGPT. Once you're on ChatGPT, you're going to upload that reference image that you just screenshot, and you're going to ask it to create a similar image for you using that reference image. You can also instruct in your prompt for it to change the outfit. In my case, I asked it to put the little girl in a trendy outfit. Also request a background change so that your video will look unique from the reference image that you gave to ChatGPT. Once you're done, run the prompt and then let ChatGPT generate the image. Once the image is generated, you're going to go ahead and save this image. Head back to TikTok and find the video that you want to replicate. In this case, this video is pretty popular. Once you've found the video, go ahead and download it. It will get saved to your photos. Next, you want to open the Kling AI app. If you don't already have this app, then you'll have to download it. Once you're on Kling AI, you're going to toggle over and select Motion Control. Now, you're going to upload your Add Motion video. Select the video that you downloaded from TikTok and let it load. Once the video gets added, what you'll want to do next is add your character image, and that's the image of the baby that you created in ChatGPT. Next, you could give it a prompt, or you can also hit generate. In this case, I want to give it a prompt, so I'm going to tell it to make the character image replicate the moves and expressions of the motion video. You'll notice that it requires 232 tokens, and these are the prices that you can get if you want to purchase tokens. So as you can see, it is not free. But these videos are generating a lot of views, so if you're interested in creating these videos so that you can get views as well, this is the price you'll have to pay. Once you start generating your video, you'll notice that there is a queue. But if you wish, you can upgrade your plan and then the queue will be even shorter for you. Right now, it was saying that I have 27 minutes to go. So if you're impatient and you don't want to wait that long, you can always upgrade your plan. However, it will cost you some credits weekly. So that's just something for you to check out if you're interested. So I fast forwarded this video because I didn't want you guys to wait 27 minutes with me. So here are the results. As you can see, the baby is replicating the images of the motion video perfectly. So go ahead, check it out now. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments. I'm more than happy to help. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to this channel. It would really mean a lot to me.